Hi, in this video I will show how to convert XSD to Excel with all information from XSD file. XSD file is the XML schema definition file which contains information about XML file, basically schema, which tags XML file contains. Now this is my website, I will leave it in the description, and I have created apps that converts XSD to Excel file. To download the app, I'll double click on the load button to start downloading process. Click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI, and click on more info. Now I'm getting the screen because I'm not registered publisher. You can see publisher unknown. I'll click run anyway. Click on next install to start installation, click on yes, and click on finish. And you can see app has been installed on my computer and shortcut has been created on my desktop. I can close this and minimize this. Now to launch app, I'll double click on shortcut. And conversion is like 3 steps process. First step, I will select input file, click on select input file, and for example this one, and click on next step. I will select XSD. I need to convert to Excel and click on next step. There is no options here. Click on next step, and to run conversion, click on run button. Now I will select location and output for output file and name of the output Excel file, and click on save. And you can see file has been saved into documents. I can double click on this file, and you can see this file contains information about XSD schema. Because I'm using Excel viewer, it's not showing me correctly, but you can see that it contains all all fields into XSD in table format and all types from XSD file into Excel. Yeah, basically that's it. Thank you.